Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Tech Gamers World. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily install a micro SD card in your GoPro camera. So this is a GoPro Hero 12 with the Media Mod case on it. This is a SanDisk Extreme Pro 512 gig micro SD card. So why do you need these cards? Well, GoPro devices do not have any internal storage in them, so you need a storage device to hold your video and photos on it. So in the case of the GoPro line of products, micro SD cards. Now, not all micro SD cards are the same. You want one that features high performance so that the GoPro can record data, video, photos, and ingest that data onto the micro SD card as quickly as possible. So I like the SanDisk Extreme Pro micro SD cards. What you want to look for is that they say V30 and UHS 3. So you're going to see that somewhere on it, whether it's on the device itself, the micro SD card, or on the packaging. If you stick with the SanDisk Extreme Pro line, they're all V30 UHS 3. And that is a requirement from GoPro. Now you can use a non V30 UHS 3 micro SD card in your GoPro. I have a 128 gig SD card, micro SD card in here now, and it was working fine. But I prefer to stick with what the standard is, because when you're recording longer videos, you don't want to have any issues that could potentially ruin your work and your video. So let's go ahead now and get this card installed in the GoPro. So the first thing I need to do is take off the media mod here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Microsoft cover, the microphone cover off, and take off the spotlight here, which just pops off, as you can see. And now we are ready to take off the case. So to take the case off, it's actually pretty easy. You're just gonna pop off the side here and slide the GoPro out of the case, like so. You'll know it comes out when it is totally free, and don't force it. You wanna just gently slide it out. The same goes for reinstalling it. As you can see, there is a port there that has to connect to the port in here. So let's go ahead now and get the micro SD card installed. So what you want to do is pop out the old card. And the easiest way to do that is to pull the battery out. As you can see here, the battery is out. And what you want to do is pop out the micro SD card, just like that. You can see there that it is now hanging out. So I'll show you how I did that. That's in, that's out. Always push down to release, never force it. If it doesn't slide right out like that, it's not ready to come out. And by forcing it, you could break it. So let's go ahead and I'll show you that again. That's in, that's out. So we've got the micro SD card out, and we'll go ahead here and put the new one in. So let's go ahead here, rip this guy open, pull it out. You want to just very gently pop it out here. There it is. And again, gently just remove it, so as you can see just how small this guy is here. That's what I call it, a micro SD card. And now we're ready to install. So what you want to do is just take it and slide it right in until it pushes down and clicks just like that. So as you can see here, it's in. So I'll show you again here. Pop it out. slide the card out, it's out. And then again, to install, just go ahead, slide it in so it's going into its slot, and push down just like that. Then you want to go ahead here and reinstall the battery, lining up the pins with the pins inside. Now, depending on how you're using your camera, you have two configurations. One, you can put the battery door back on, like so. If you're using the battery door, put it on just like that, and it's on. That is how you make the GoPro Hero 12 fully waterproof and protect the battery and microSD card. If you're like me and you're using the media mod kit, you're gonna go ahead and pop this off. Get your media mod here, slide this in. So that's just like that. And then what you want to do is bring this down all the way until it clicks shut, just like that. So you've got the media mod installed. And then we can go ahead and just put back on our accessories. So we've got the spotlight and the microphone protector that dampens wind noise and other ambient noises. And then we just want to go ahead, power the GoPro on, and there you go. You are good to go. You've got your micro SD card installed, the GoPro is back on, and you are ready to get out and shoot some more video. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. As always, if anyone has any questions with any of the line of GoPro products, please go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I will do my best to help you out and get any questions you may have answered. Please click that like button and subscribe to Tech Gamers World. I'm always going to have new and exciting content from the world of technology, video games, and travel coming at you. So thanks a lot, everybody, and I will see you around. Get out there and explore the world with your GoPro cameras. Have a great day.